Is your iPhone overheating after updating to iOS 26? Don't worry, I will show you the exact settings you need to change to fix it fast. Before anything, let the update settle. After a major iOS update, your iPhone runs background tasks like re-indexing files. This can cause temporary heating. Wait 24 to 48 hours after updating.
Solution 1. Close background apps properly. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Close heavy apps like games or social media that run in the background. This reduces CPU load and heat immediately. Solution 2. Turn off background app refresh. Go to settings. After that, tap general, scroll down and open background app refresh. Tap again and set it to off or Wi-Fi only. This stops apps from refreshing constantly. That was one of the biggest causes of overheating. Solution 3. Manage location services. Go to settings, scroll down to privacy and security, tap location services, turn off location for apps that don't need it. Scroll to the bottom and open system services. Turn off significant locations and HomeKit. This prevents your GPS from running in the background. Solution 4. Reduce display and widgets. Go to settings, then find and open display and brightness or similar settings. Lower your screen brightness, turn off always on display if your iPhone supports it. Also remove unnecessary widgets from your home and lock screen. They refresh constantly in iOS 26. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Go to settings, find and tap general. Scroll down, tap transfer or reset iPhone, then tap reset. Now choose reset all settings. This doesn't erase data, only settings. It fixes overheating if nothing else works. That's how you fix overheating on iOS 26.
So that's it. If this fixes solves your iPhone overheating problem, then please like the video, comment your experience, subscribe our channel for more tech fixes. Thanks a lot for watching.